Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. And in this video we are going to talk about forms, and according to me, which one is one of the finest form builder out there. And no points for guessing, the page is already open. For me, WP Forms is one of the finest plugin out there, and it is indeed one of the most famous plugin out there, not just for a form builder but for any plugins. You must have heard of WP Forms as the most as it is one of the finest and most famous WP Forms plugin out there. So why would I recommend such a plugin? Is because of the features. I found it very useful. The features are very extensive, and one of the best thing I like about this plugin that it comes with many add-ons. Obviously those are in pro version, but I guess see, look at it this way. There's not a single website which doesn't have a contact form or any type of form. There must be at least one single form on any website, and you must have the flexibility of designing forms with with many features, because you are not going to use 2-3 forms. Suppose one feature is there in one form builder, the other feature is in another form builder, so you're not going to install 2-3 plugins just for forms, because they'll have a conflict also and your site may break. So what I recommend is go for WP Forms. And why I'm saying this is because it comes with lot of add-ons for the pro version, but don't worry, the free version does the job very nicely, and we are going to use a free version of this form builder in this video. So we are going to make a simple contact form for using it on my website. I've already installed and activated it, but I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So you just need to go to plugins and go to add new. Let's open it in a new tab. And in the meantime, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, like the video, and comment if you have any doubts, and if you think why you should be using some other plugin, or what is the best thing you find about WP Form. So alright, so just go to WP add new and just type in WP Forms, and the first plugin should come up, and that should do the job. Yeah, contact forms by WP Forms by WP Forms. This is the plugin. The review itself is the testimony to the fact that it is one of the most widely used plugins. See, 4+ million active installation with 5-star rated, and this plugin is also by WP Forms. And if you know about SMTP mails, then you must have used this plugin as well. So they are a very trusted authors for plugins, at least. So that's why my recommendation is contact forms by WP Forms. So I have already installed and activated it. So let's see how you are going to use this plugin to make a simple contact form. I have made a demo page. It's on my live website, so I have just made a new page called demo contact, and I'll be using this page to make a contact page so that I can show you what. Once installed, the plugin will add something like this, a WP Forms tab here on the left hand side, and you get a lot of features. So you can go to all forms and then click add new if you want to check all your forms. I don't have designed any forms from here, so let's go to add new, and I'll show you how you can design a simple form by using WP Forms free version. If you want, I'll tell you some of the advantages of the pro version during the course of this video. So let's name our form as contact. That should do. And here you get a lot of templates to use. Like a blank form is when you are going to create a form from scratch, or a simple contact form is like it will enable you to make a contact form in 2 minutes. Just use the template, edit the features, edit the fields according to your needs, and then just set it up on your website. Newsletter sign up is also one of the template, and suggestion form is also one of the template. However, we are going to use the blank form. Okay, with the paid version you get a lot more request a code, donation, and one of the finest feature for which I personally use WP Forms is the billing and order form, because it enables me to take payment in my PayPal or Stripe just through the forms, and that is like amazing. I know many plugins will do that need, but for me, the ease with which I can design the forms by using WPForms plugin is like very nice. So I highly recommend this plugin. So let's go to blank form and create a contact form from scratch. So many forms are like tongue twister for me. Okay, so this is the interface you get for designing a form, and it's quite simple, quite easy. You can just click on these fields you are able to use in the free version, and these are in the paid version. So we are not going to use the paid version right now because I have just installed the free version on this website. So contact form, maybe I'll require a name. So name, you just give it a single click and it should pop out here, name. Now just click on the field and it will show you the options for it, whether you want it label, name is fine, format, let's keep it simple, just name, so that the user can type in first name, last name all in one row. Description, you can write like enter your full name and it would show there, right? So if you want, you can type in, or you can leave it blank. Required, yes, I want the user to type in their name, obviously, so required. Advanced options gives you many options like size, placeholder, hide label, hide sublabel, CSS class. So it's a lot to do, you need to explore it, but however this is like, let's add some more fields to build our form. So we can use multiple choice. I'll need an email from the user, that is for sure. So let's click on email and the email field is there. Again, let's click on that field and you get a variety of options which you can explore by yourself, and you can also drag and drop if you want to change the order how your fields appear. Again, let's go back to add fields. If you want the phone number, something, yeah, numbers, if you want, just type in mobile number, whatever, mobile number, that should do. Let's add one more. Check boxes is also there. Let me show you multiple choice. This is interesting, I use it quite frequently. Multiple choice gives you choices. Let's click on this field so that we have an option here. I just need two. So first choice, I'm a website developer, you know, so website. So if you are contacting me regarding website, select that option. If you are contacting me regarding SEO, select that option. I think looks fine. Yeah, website, SEO. Image choices is also there. Required option is also there. Yeah, let's put required, what's the harm. So this is the form, we are going to use it on my contact page. Let's do some basic settings before that. This is the settings option. So form name, you can change it from here also. Submit button text, you can contact now, whatever you want. Submit is also fine. Contact now. Submit button processing text would be contacting, submitting, sending, whatever you want, find it interesting. Enable anti-spam protection, a good option for you to go, and all these are default best. Let's go to notification, and here you can change the email where the notification will go for your admin mail or any other mail, and what is the name would be the email, how the email structure would be. You can change it from here, or you can simply just switch off all the notification if you are getting too much. I'll personally leave it on. Confirmation is what the user will see when they click on the submit button. So you can type in at a message, thanks for contacting us, or you can change it. You can also redirect them to a URL or to your own pages if you want. So these are the options you get in the free versions. A lot to do in the pro versions. Maybe in the next video I'll talk about how you can accept payments, but for this video let's keep it to the free versions, because many of the people are going to be using the free version. So I think this form is ready. I guess this form is our form is ready. So just click on save, and then I'll show you how you can embed it. So you can click on embed, you'll get the shortcode, or what I'll do, I'll show you from the backend only so that it is easier for you. Let's close this because I have saved it already, so without anything I can and this is the form we have created, and this is the shortcode we get for embedding it anywhere. So I've created this demo contact page. Now we can just add form here, and this is WP form. only one form is there. So contact form, show form name, show form description, add form. If you'll do, it will add the shortcode basically. So you can do like this also, so no problem, it will show. If you click on update, the page will show. However, many people are using page builder for designing their page, so I'll show you how you can do it with Elementor. So it is easier, matlab you just need to prepare the form, copy the shortcode and embed it as a shortcode anywhere, and it will show up. So let's do it with Elementor so that it is easier for you to, you can do it with any other plugin as well. Elementor is taking a bit of time. Yeah, it's open now. What happened? Yeah, now it's open. Perfect. So you can either search for a widget called WPForms. This widget has been added by the WPForms plugin to Elementor because they are so much compatible. So you can just drag and drop and then select the form, for example the contact form, and it will show up here without any issue. And you can, form name and description, make some basic changes as well, and just click on update, the page will show. However, I'll delete and I'll show you the basic method. So you can add the widget shortcode. Any page builder will have this widget called shortcode, so you are going to use the shortcode. Let's copy this shortcode here on a clipboard and let's paste it here and click on apply. So this is how you embed a shortcode anywhere on your website. If it is anywhere you want to show this form, you can use it as a widget also, so that won't be a problem. So this is what we got. So let's click on update and let's see how it looks on the front end website, on the live website, right? So let's click view page. Yeah, it looks fine. Contact, now you can write it to submit. So name, email, mobile number, website, SEO, anyone, multiple choice, and the email will go to my admin email. So that's how you make a perfect form quite easily. We have used just the free version. You can check out the features of the pro version as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you really like the video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and comment your doubts, any issues you have. Thank you so much for watching.